Hello everyone, this is Sama Fakhrizada from grade 7 and today I'm going to try to make a stylus with all of you. In case you don't know what a stylus, this is a stylus. This also. So without wasting the time, let's start making it. So the materials required for a stylus is, we need a little bit of water, copper wire, also cotton swab and a pen that you no longer need it. First of all, we're going to start with our pen and also our cotton swab. So first, we are going to remove the ink from the pen. As you can see, I'm removing it because we don't need it actually. And we are going to cut the cotton swab in half, or you can do more, however you feel comfortable. Okay. After cutting the cotton swab, we're going to fit it in the pen. So I managed to fit it in the
top part of the pen.
Yes. So adjusting all the parts, and now yes, we are almost done, but we have a thing we have to do with a copper wire. So the tutorial I watched, they put the cotton wire near they put the copper wire near the cotton swab, and we're going to do the same thing. I think if I put it here, it's be great. And then here's where we need the hero tape. And we do it. Just waiting for a moment more. I guess this is enough. And now we are going to actually try it. So don't forget, actually, this is the last part that you should never forget. Dump this in the water a little bit. So, and without the water, I guess it won't work. So we have to dip it in the water. And now we're going to try. Now it's time to try our pen, our stylus. So let's go. I'm going to actually try it on this phone. You can see that it's actually working. It's actually really working. Yeah, that is how you can easily make a stylus at home without even buying any. You can make it with stuff that are already available in home. Pen, cotton swab, all of them are available in all the houses. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it will help you in the future. So have a great day. Bye.